In this quick tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add keyframes in Premiere Pro. Let's start by placing some video footage onto our timeline. Now, I'll create a simple animation using keyframes to illustrate how they work. First, position the playhead where you want the animation to start. Then, enable keyframes for properties like position and scale by clicking the stopwatch icons next to them. You'll see two keyframes added at the current playhead position. These represent the starting point of our animation. Next, move the playhead to where you want the animation to end. Here, I'll make the video slightly larger and reposition it by adjusting the scale and position properties. As you can see, this creates a smooth animation between the keyframes. You can add more keyframes by simply moving the playhead and adjusting the properties as needed. Premiere Pro will automatically create keyframes at each point, and that's it. That's how you add keyframes in Premiere Pro to create animations and effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.